Yeah, yep. I mean, and
All
I'll
right.
wait until you're ready.
You say you don't do this is fair housing, okay? Fair housing. You said you don't do landlord-tenant, correct?
Exactly. We are not funded to do landlord-tenant. What we investigate is claims of illegal housing discrimination under federal, state, or local.
He called me a terrorist. He called me a Taliban. He reported it to the police. That's not discrimination?
Right. Well,
It could be.
No, it could be. He's making verbal threats, making it uncomfortable for my children, okay? Made a sexual pass at me in front of my daughter who's willing to take a lie detector test. But you guys can't help me you don't even need to do nothing. I just need to give it to the judge so that I can see it.
Administratively, that's what we could help you do, and you've already filed it with an MDCR.
MDCR is only an investigation.
But that's all we can help you with, too. We can help you we don't have any investigative power. We don't have any subpoena power. What we can do is help you file with an administrative body. That's what we can do.
So you can't help file with court paperwork?
No, we don't have attorneys
Okay.
on staff.
yeah. Nope.
I wasn't, you don't need an attorney on staff. I just needed to know how to submit it to the courts.
Yeah. Well, and like I mentioned yesterday, we're not attorneys. We don't have any attorneys on staff to talk about fair housing, specific to like the Fair Housing Act and the anti-discrimination laws.
So what exactly do you guys advocate then? Because I'm being harassed out of my home. I don't have another place to go. He's making accusations that are untrue, and you guys are telling me you can't do nothing but help me write up the paperwork I already wrote up.
I mean, we're not saying that we can't do nothing. I mean,
I haven't heard any other options.
No, and I want to be able to continue the conversation to say like what we are able to do, and based on the information that we have available, what we have the ability to do, and where our limits are.
Okay, I'm listening.
Okay. Yeah, and I'm looking at all of this. Like I said, there's a lot of like repeated information about your experiences, and I imagine this is information that you had sent to the Michigan Department of Civil Rights as well?
Yes.
Okay. And did they ask for follow-up information as far as like, supporting documentation?
I have been, yes.
Okay. Okay, so what I want to be able to do right now is just describe the difference between like the court system as it applies to like filing a complaint with the court versus MDCR.
I know the difference.
Okay. I mean, because they do have the ability to help someone settle a complaint if that's
I'm not trying to settle, is what I'm trying to say. This man has caused a lot of damage to my reputation, to my career. My husband lost his job. My kids couldn't have people over because they're harassing and making all these uncomfortable situations. They've been locked in their house. I don't have another place to go. He put it on my credit report, which is untrue when I have all my evidence. I just wanted to know how to submit it. I just want to see a judge. I don't understand this.
Okay. I mean, and that's something we don't have a list of or like a directory of attorneys to submit it, and we're not familiar.
Have you tried to call the Bar Association to get an attorney?
Do I look like I got $20,000 in my back pocket? Legal aid is a joke. It's supposed to be helping low-income people. They said the same thing. They don't do landlord-tenant disputes. This is a joke. This is a joke. They spend more money on propaganda about your rights than they do actually helping you with your rights. That's what I'm hearing. I mean, that's what I thought. I guess we're done.